Hello everyone, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this one and thank you for staying. Please do like this video. And yeah, today I'm sharing with you laundry, and it's winter, guys. You know, in winter we wear a lot of clothes. We layer so many clothes to keep us warm. So today's laundry is extreme for me. It's extreme because I'm not used to doing this load of laundry. There was too many dark colors and huge clothes, like they are bigger. So yeah, I was tired this day. Here I am, like starting with the whites, then I'll be doing other things later. And every load, I had to top up my water. I had to top up the washing powder because like it was a lot. So guys, do give this video a like, please, because I was tired. Like the video so that I can be at least feel better, please. Every now and then I do buy a refill fabric softener. This container here, I bought it the first time when I moved in here so that I can use it always when I run out and refill with it. So I use a refill every single shopping that I do. I like it because it's cheaper. Sometimes you can buy two for a price which is very less. Then it's a bargain. Like this one, I bought them when they were on offer. They were two for 45 rands. So I'm still left with the other one. I think my fabric softener lasts for 2 months, if I'm not mistaken, because I can't remember when last did I refill this one. I will just gauge with this one. So for how long does it take? But anyway, I don't buy Stay Soft every month. That's just that. By the way, when I was doing this laundry, it was Sunday, a very windy, a cold day. Saturday, it was fine, hot, but I had other commitments that I couldn't do my laundry. I couldn't do anything at home. I went out and it was just like that. So Sunday, I had to just push it to do the laundry, and I was up the whole day. That's why, guys, I mentioned in my previous video that I don't like laundry on Sunday. It takes up the whole day. It takes up your hours of resting. Falling down these lies again. This feeling that I had deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough. All that I know. Let me be the one for you. This jacket, I bought this jacket for my graduations. So here I was just checking the precautionary measures, and it was saying you wash it on warm machine wash. But my heart doesn't want, like I'm so scared to just like kissing my jacket like that. I was so anxious about it, but eventually I put it in a machine. Machine can be harsh on clothes sometimes, but because it was recommending a machine wash, I just put it there even though my heart didn't like it. It was my first time washing it, and after wearing it for I worn it 3 times: graduation date, some other times, and the previous day before doing the laundry.
It's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I had deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough. All that I know. Let me be the one for you.
By the way, guys, I woke up very early in the morning, 6:30. Even if the weather was not welcoming, I had to just deal away with the laundry very early because Sunday, guys. So by 9:30, I was already done with everything, like hanging my clothes on the washing line. Yeah, I was already done by 9:30, and then I started making breakfast around 10 o'clock. Then bath my son. And what did I do else? Did I cook? Yes, I did cook, and it was for lunch and dinner.
Be quiet. I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out. things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get up
Guys, do I tell you how appreciating I am when you engage on my channel? I really appreciate your support. Guys, every single view on my channel, I do really support. I do really appreciate it. It shows that there is something that I do that people love. Even the analytics shows my average view duration, it has gone up. Guys, thank you for that, for taking your time and stay on my videos. I love you, and please share this video if you can, and please subscribe if you haven't, and let's grow this family here. I love you so much, and give it a like. Please continue to support my channel. I appreciate it. Don't forget to watch the ads, guys. Even if the CPM on this channel is it's just a gambling, but please do not forget to watch the ads, and I love you so much. I'm going to be ending here. I believe I'm going to be ending here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And please finish off the rest of the remaining minutes.
be quiet. I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head.